Types of numerical control systems. The NC system can be classified on the basis of the means of controlling the relative motion of the tool with respect to the workpiece. There are three typical motions associated with NC systems. Point-to-point NC. The point-to-point or the PTP is most elementary form of motion control. In this, the spindle moves the cutting tool from one location to another. While traveling from one location to another, the path or speed at which it is done is not important. Once the tool reaches the final position, machining begins. NC drill machines and spot welding machines are typical examples of PTP control. Straight cut NC. A straight cut control system is capable of controlling the cutting tool parallel to one of the major axes at a control rate suitable for the machining. Milling operations, step turning are some examples of straight cut systems. It should be noted that this kind of an NC system is not capable of angular cutting, as the system has motion control along one axis only. The PTP and straight cut NC are also called as finite positioning systems. Straight cut NC systems can also perform PTP operations with ease. Contouring NC or continuous NC. This is one of the most complex and expensive systems, as it can simultaneously control more than one axis for a complicated machining of contours and surfaces. This kind of a system can keep the machine straight on plane surfaces at any orientation, circular paths, conical paths, or any other mathematically defined curve. The contouring system machines are continuously changing the rates of X and Y motion with respect to time. Milling and turning operations by this system can generate complicated components very effectively.